Ulita Moore, the applicant who earlier this week had her application to stop GECOM from doing a recount of District 4 ballots thrown out by a full court earlier this week, is of the opinion that the decision to discharge the case was unjust. Thursday marks 1 month since hundreds of thousands of Guyanese cast their ballots in the March 2, 2020 general and regional elections. Since then, the electioneering body has been barred by various court proceedings, prohibiting them from declaring the winner of the elections. The attorneys representing Moore will now have to return on Friday to the Court of Appeal. The court is expected to rule on whether Moore can appeal the decision that was ruled upon by the full court last Tuesday. Senior counsel Roysdale Ford outside the Court of Appeal told reporters that the court on Thursday had set timelines for the commencement of the hearing, scheduled to begin on Friday morning.
Our position will be that the ruling of the full court, Justices Narendra Hardanan and the Chief Justice, that it is wrong in law. And we expect the full court, the Court of Appeal, to set aside the decision of the full court. We also expect, I overheard my learned friend Nandalal speaking a few moments ago, and we expect that the chairman of the Elections Commission will honor what she always says, that she will await the hearing of the process.
Ford further noted that in a turn of events following the first ruling by Justice Franklin Holder, it was surprising to note that the opposition had filed an appeal to the full court challenging his decision. The full court made a decision that was not in favor of the plaintiff.
The court system recognizes further appeals. So why is it only when they obtain a victory for them at the full court that the process and the statement made by the chairman of the Elections Commission that she will await the outcome of the court proceedings, how that suddenly comes to an end? And that is the problem that we've been having throughout this process.
The senior counsel was asked about what is expected of GECOM, especially since a meeting of the commissioners was convened to decide the way forward following Tuesday's court proceedings.
GECOM was free to go ahead, even to present the report presented to them by Mr. Lowenfield. That report has been presented to the chairman of the Elections Commission since the 14th of March. She was free to present that report there. So why is it only now an issue of proceeding with a recount at this stage? So what is the ambivalence, and what is the fact that only a recount could now be considered? Why the report can't be presented to the Elections Commission now?
Javone Vickerie, HGP Nightly News.